For the best possible picture, please adjust the tracking knob on your video machine.
Don't you?
Yeah, Babbitt. I want to eat. I love to eat.
Well, then go up and get the bird out of that nest, and we'll eat.
But I don't want to fight no bird. I like birds. I go hungry first.
What's the matter, Fraidy Cat? This is only a tiny little bird.
You mean a poor little dincy-wincy, itsy-bitsy defenseless bird?
Yes.
Let me at him! Let me at him! I'll get him, Babbitt! Gang wheel! Moonlight him! Let me at him!
Take it easy. Take it easy.
Come on! Where'd you get that stuff? Don't hold me back! I'll get him! I'll show him!
Come on, quit your fooling. Get up that ladder.
Push me, Adam! Don't push me!
Come on.
I'm scared to go up high. I get hydrophobia. No, I don't want to come on. Don't push me. Oh, don't. You can't make me do it. You can't make me do it. He did it.
Come on, stupid. Get the bird.
Oh.
Give me the bird. Give me the bird.
If the Hayes office would only let me, I'd give him the bird, all right. Get away up here. Say, Babbitt, are you sure this thing is gonna be okay?
Of course. Everything's under control.
Don't push me down in a box, Babbitt. Please don't do it. Don't do it. Hey, Babbitt! Oh, Babbitt! Babbitt!
What's the matter now?
I'm afraid of the dark.
Well, I'll let you out then.
I tore a putty cat. I did. I tore a putty cat. Oh, the poor putty cat. He crushed his witty head.
Gee, Babbitt, I'm just no good.
Oh, the brakes were against you.
I'm a flopperoo. I can't even get the boy.
Don't worry, you'll get it all right.
You mean I'll get it in the end?
Yeah, and you'll get a big bang out of it, too.
Well, that sure takes a load off of my mind.
Save you? Where are you? Speak to me! Speak to me! Come on, stop your clowning. What's the matter with you? Aren't you ashamed?
I don't know.
Why do you do these things?
I'm a bad pussycat. Oh, I just can't seem to get the boy. Ain't no use.
Don't worry.
I can't do it.
This'll get you up there. Contact.
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 Contact. Hey, Wabbit! I'm a
Hello? False interceptor command? I see an unidentified object flying around my widow head.
Is there an insurance salesman in the house?
Airwade, lights out, total blackout. Wake it up, Putty Cat, wake it up. Airwade, lights out, total blackout.
Hey, now's our chance. Come on.
Turn out those lights!
Grampy's house. It never is too late. He will always wait. And when everybody's resting, he is always full of pep. Everybody's gonna be home at Grampy's house.
Let's keep both.
Thank you. Dear Becky, I'm giving a little party. Come right over, bring the gang. Grampy! Woo! Such a darling. I'm on my way to Grampy. Oh, he's such good company. It's the only place to be. Over at Grampy's house. Oh, I'm on my way to Grampy. For he always treats me nice. Always something on the ice.
Where?
Over at Grampy's house. Da-da-dee-da-da-dee.
Everybody's gonna be
Over at Grampy's house. So we're on our way to Grampy.
We've got the company. Over at Grampy's house.
So we're on our way
To Grampy, where he always treats us nice. Always something on the ice. Where?
Over at Grampy's house.
Da-da-dee, never is the way. Da-da-dee, he will always wait. And when everybody's resting, he's always full of pep. Everybody's gonna be right here at Grampy's house.
That must be Betty and the gang.
Okay, boys, come on in. Hello, Grampy, dear.
howdy.
I brought you some company.
How do you do?
Howdy.
Hiya, Grampy.
Hello, hello, hello.
How do you do, Grampy? Hey!
Come on, folks, have some fun.
Thanks. On the hat.
Oh,
There's the cake, Betty.
I sure will.
Oh,
Thanks. Oh,
Than a streak of lightning, more powerful than the pounding surf, mightier than a roaring hurricane. This amazing stranger from the planet Krypton, the Man of Steel, Superman. Possessing remarkable physical strength, Superman fights a never-ending battle for truth and justice, disguised as a mild-mannered newspaper reporter, Clark Kent.
And while on a hunting trip, my father discovered what are now known as the Henderson Caverns. More than 40 years ago, he mysteriously disappeared while exploring them further. Recently, I found these maps and charts he left, suggesting that still greater wonders and mysteries lay beyond in this vast underground world. Now, if your paper will help finance the expedition, I will take Miss Lane and Mr. Kent with me and guarantee the Daily Planet exclusive rights to the story.
Sounds like a great story, Chief.
I'd love to go.
Well, let me see. All right, it's a deal.
Thanks, Mr. White. We can leave immediately. Careful now. Those are explosives for the blasting we'll have to do. We're shoving off, Kent. Meet you in the Blue Grotto.
So long, Clark.
See you later, Lois.
According to the map, this next grotto is the furthest any man has ever been.
Is that to be our Friday?
That's right.
for dynamite.
Look at the statue above his head. Why, the resemblance is remarkable. Is that the...
Yes, my father. But what would they be doing with a statue of him?
And the sun! And the sun! And the sun! Lois! 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 And the sun! Lois!
This is a job for Superman.
It's really a great story, Lois. But no one would ever believe it.